say this verse, Nityasiddha Krishna Prema Sadhya Kabonai. So this prema is Nityasiddha. It's eternally in the hearts, it's eternally perfect, and it's in the hearts of Krishna as the eternal associates. It's not an ajiva. There's no prema there. Where's the prema? We're full of anger, we're full of envy, we're not blissful. Prema means ladni shakti, means unlimited, inconceivable joy and bliss at every moment. That's ladni. There's no prema. No, it's dormant. You can't. It's like putting a blanket over the sun. You can cover the sun with a kumbal. Oh, the sun! It's too bright. I want to sleep longer. And just take my blanket and put it over. It's only this big. So prema is within you. It's the most brilliant, shining light. There's no way it can be dormant. There's no such thing as dormant. So then, but it says Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema Sadhya Kabonoi means that this sadhya, you cannot attain this goal of prema by yourself. So then someone say, well, forget about sadhana. That doesn't mean you don't do sadhana. We do sadhana. Because without sadhana, then we don't see any pleasure. The sadhus, the saints aren't pleased, and Krishna's not pleased, and then there's no result. So sadhana is necessary. And then, so what is the sadhana? We have to purify our consciousness, Chaitodharvana Marjanam, by chanting, reading, studying Shastra, Sadhusanga, Navavida Bhakti, hearing, chanting, remembering Krishna. And then gradually our consciousness becomes purified. And then we have the yogita. Yogita means the eligibility or the possibility to receive the mercy. Because our acharyas say that mercy, of course, is causeless, but generally we see that it's precipitated, or it's not cause, it's no cause, but doing sadhana, and doing very good sadhana, we generally see that all those who practice sadhana, they get the benefit, they get the result from Krishna. He's free to do Kripa Siddhi. He can give someone perfection without doing any sadhana. But Rupa Goswami tells in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, it's better we don't take a risk. He said everywhere, all our acharyas say, no, we do sadhana, because Kripa Siddhi, he said, is very rare.